Are you ready to master Salesforce and take your business to the next level? Let's see how we can actually get started with this demo account. Salesforce is one of the most powerful CRM platforms trusted by businesses around the world. So to get started, of course, it's going to be really important to understand what exactly is a CRM. Now, here we have the basically information about the Salesforce. Now, Salesforce, if you're not familiarized with a CRM, basically the CRM is for cloud-based platform. This is designed to help businesses manage customers' relationships and track sales. We can optimize marketing strategies, everything in just one place. Basically, the sales cloud, we have the service cloud, you have marketing cloud. There's even so much more, and you have learning tools that can help you to get started here into Salesforce. Now, to set up your Salesforce account, you can focus here and to try this for free. And you have now been opened a new tab where you can just start to require a free trial today with your first, last name, the job title, 8 answers in total, and you might be having now access directly into the dashboard of the Salesforce. So once you have access here into the Salesforce, let's understand a little bit more about how this actually works. So I'm going to close this. Let's go for the dashboard. And here we are inside the dashboard. So here is the home element. The home is the overview of the important metrics, important tasks, your leads, your opportunities, your context, average handling time, and even change your home dashboard here. Now, something else is the app launcher. Into this element, we can access a different Salesforce application. So for that, we can focus here into your account or go into the settings. And here is a quick view so we can customize some fields, the users, details about your business, billing, and much more. Something else are the reports. The reports appear here into this section where you can check out everything about your sales, about your context, accounts, opportunities, products, pricing, and much more. Now you have the notifications and settings that can appear here into your account, the commerce, mails, and services. Now to add and manage elements, for example, adding your first contact. Let's head over here to the left part that says context. And you can see here are all the sellers that are more important. Let's go and add a new contact to do this process much faster. You can add if this is a sir, Mr., whatever. Choose the name, choose the last name. If this is going to be a new account, inside the new account, you should be adding the about section. For example, the name of the account. For example, let's go for Steven. This is the website. We have a type, description, account, get in touch, information, and go. So on and on. Let's go here for save. Here is the charge. Let's say member, supervisor. Let's just leave this as it is. And go for save. Now I've added my very first client. Inside my very first client, I have the about section, the option to get in touch, the phone, the email, the address, the history of what happened with this customer, and here all the activities I have been working with my customer. For example, here I have mails, the calendar, calls, and tasks. And last here I have opportunities, cases, and files, just in case you have imported files with this customer and much more. Basically, this is like a database of a specific customer, and you can check out here for all the customers that you currently have. You can add more as you're getting started and adding more customers there. Now, if I click here into account, we can see that we have the accounts of all our customers. So the phone, the website, the billing info, the country they're currently living, the alias, and much more elements. We can change the partnership, and much more. Now into sales, these are elements as we just saw before, everything about our context, about our accounts, opportunities, products, list prices, calendar, and analytics of what have we done so far. Now let's manage a few leads. So leads are potential customers who have shown interest in your own business. So you will want to track them to convert them into opportunities, right? So for that, we can go directly into the lead tab or directly into your account and go for context. If you wanted to create a to-do list, down here we have this huge bar that says to-do list. Here we can assign a new task. For example, I click here, assign it to, related to, You can create a new active if you wanted to. Now a new active is, for example, something that needs to be done. For example, let's go for YouTube videos. The products should be adding a new product if you want to add a new product, and it's going to be added here. This is totally optional. You can add the price, the quantity, the account, the contact, and of course I'm going to be adding this by myself because this is just an example. Go for continue and go for save. Now here with business, let's go for send a budgeting element. And here's my to-do list. I needed to do this, right? So down here, I'm going to close this. And here are the details about my task. I can close this, or I can check out the details, the related elements, more information about it, or more information about the system. What happened when we get started here? What is the latest modification and much more. We can check this mark when we finish through this process, and automatically we are not done. I can close this now, and I'm back now into the home dashboard. Now we can do so much more, for example, creating your first prospect. I can helping you once again to build more leads here. So I have my leads here. This is Mr. Name, the last name, and I can save and create a new one just in case I want to add more. Now here I'm going to close this, and here's my first prospect. So we didn't have any potential customers here. They have the contact, they're not knocking, not qualified, and they converted. Basically, all of this information can be helping me to use this Salesforce information as a prospect. So I have all my info here. When I go back to the home dashboard, everything should be now been saved or closed and managed automatically. Now, an opportunity once again is a potential sale. So once you have created a potential sale, you are ready to add a tailored field for your specific needs. You can add custom fields, change page layouts, and more. So for example here, if I focused here into this personalization, we have the new element that says home, but I can add something else. For example, I have everything, and I can add all of my actives. I can add my calendar, and I can add more accounts, or I can add my contact, send, prospects, reports, and that will be actually it. I add them into my navigation bar. I saved it, and now here the new navigation bar should be showing me all these elements that I have added depending on what I do wanted to see. And there we go. So the Salesforce offers some powerful automation tools. If you wanted to create a simple workflow, you can just look out here and look out for automations. Something else, for example, is to add email marketing. So subject name, which is going to be sent to, create a new list here, which is the business, which is the address, and much more. Close this. And here have more services that we can add. For example, creating an actual case or a ticket for a customer. So I create a ticket for it, and we have the solid working, waiting on customers, what is the actual name of the case, the contact information, the description, and save this, and it's going to appear in the end. Now make sure that you check out the Salesforce's mobile application because it's perfect for staying connected and managing your CRM on the move, so you can view context, the log activities, and even the managing opportunities right from your phone. So today we have covered how to get started with Salesforce CRM, from the setting up your account to managing some leads and running some reports, right? So if you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Subscribe to the Tech Press to check out more videos like this. Thank you once again, guys. See you next time.